List of tools: tape measure, hammer, clamps, corner clamps, mitre saw. Types of frames: flush mount, float mount, recessed mount. Step 1. Build a long strip of framing by cutting and/or gluing strips of wood. Paint or coat if necessary. Step 2. Cut 4 pieces of framing with the dimensions of the picture. Step 3. Cut 45-degree angles at the ends. In the same piece, the cut should be symmetric. The shorter side should be the inner side. Step 4. Glue and/or nail the frame. Clamp the frame using corner clamps until the glue sets.